Themes make it extremely easy to design the visual aspects of your WordPress website. And the WordPress platform supports hundreds of themes, both free and premium. So if you want to give your website a visual upgrade, here's how you can install and set up a WordPress theme. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification icon so you don't miss out on great content related to WordPress and WooCommerce. If you are new to WordPress, you may be torn between the huge number of themes and their features. So consider the following factors while choosing the right theme for your website. Simplicity in design and aesthetics so that users are able to use your site without hassles. Easy setup process so that you don't take a long time to get it up and running. Ample options to customize the theme, as having a unique appearance is important too. Responsive design so that users will get the best experience irrespective of the device they're using. Smooth integration with other plugins and tools that might be required for your site. Regular updates so that your site is free of conflicts with other tools and is one step ahead of security threats. Search engine friendly features that will make sure users find your content through search engines easily. A dependable support team that offers quick help in case you encounter any issues with your theme. When you're ready to install a WordPress theme, there are 3 methods you can go about it. Let's take a look. To install a theme from the WordPress directory, hover over Appearance and click on Themes. On this page, click on the Add New button. Then, use the search bar to find your theme. You can also use these tags and filters to narrow down your search. To install or preview the theme, hover over its tile. Finally, activate the theme to switch your current theme for the new one. The WordPress directory is huge, but you can't find every theme here. This is because most premium themes are hosted on their own websites. So if you've got a theme from somewhere other than the official directory, you can simply upload the theme files onto your website. After downloading the theme's zip file, go back to the theme settings in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New and choose Upload Theme. Select the zip file from your computer and click the Install button. Finish up by activating the theme. This is another method you can use, though it's recommended for advanced users. Connect to your host using an FTP program like FileZilla. Go to your WordPress install and navigate to WP Content Themes and upload the extracted theme folder. Once done, the theme will pop up in your admin panel, waiting for you to activate it. After activating the theme, hover over its tile and click on the Customize button. The setup processes will be different for different themes, but they'll be broadly the same. The customization page has a set of options on the left and a live preview on the right. In the Site Identity section, you can change the site title and tag line of your website. You can also add a logo and site icon here. In the following sections, you can customize everything from header and footer text colors to website background colors and everything in between. The Layout section lets you choose a sidebar position for your website, while you can create new menus in the Menu section. Storefront, the theme we're using for this demo, also lets us customize widgets, homepage settings, and additional CSS modifications. In the end, you should only choose a theme and make the customizations that work for your website's vision. Hopefully, this video helped you get closer to that vision. Check out learnwoo.com for more articles, videos, and resources related to WordPress and WooCommerce. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media channels. And do let us know in the comment section if you want us to cover a specific topic, or if you have any ideas or suggestions.